This video will demonstrate how to properly install and electrically connect Lunasea's LL53BK navigation light. There are three primary ways to install the light: using the boat's existing switches in a 2-switch configuration, using the boat's existing switches in a 3-switch configuration, and using Lunasea's optional rotary switch. A fourth installation option with only 2 wires will also be addressed. The LL53BK comes with instructions that list the dimensions for the light, as well as for an optional riser that can be used to raise the light beyond any potential mast interference. To connect the light in a 2-switch configuration, take the following steps. Connect the anchor switch to the green wire of the LL53 cable. Connect the tricolor switch to the red wire of the LL53 cable. Finally, connect the black wire from the LL53 to the ground. Now the anchor switch activates the white anchor light. The tricolor switch activates the running lights, and pushing the anchor and tricolor switches at the same time will activate the strobe. To connect the light in a 3-switch configuration, take the following steps. Connect the anchor switch to the green wire of the LL53 cable. Connect the tricolor switch to the red wire of the LL53 cable. Connect the black wire from the LL53 to the ground. Connect the strobe switch to the diodes. And connect the diodes to each of the green and red wires of the LL53 cable. The striped side of the diode goes to the green and red wires of the LL53 cable. Now the anchor switch activates the white anchor light. The tricolor switch activates the running lights, and the strobe switch will activate the strobe. Be aware that the LL53 has a built-in light sensor that renders the white anchor light inactive in the daytime or when there's abundant light. So once the LL53 is connected, be sure to test it at night before attempting to troubleshoot. When connecting the light to Lunasea's optional rotary switch, utilize the green connectors on the back side of the switch. The green connector with 3 slots is for the LL53, and the green connector with 2 slots is for the connection to 12-volt DC power. Push down on the top of each of the green connectors to insert the wires into their appropriate slots. Insert the black wire of the LL53 cable to the connector labeled GND-B. Insert the green wire of the LL53 cable to the anchor G connector. Insert the red wire of the LL53 cable to the TRI R connector. In the same manner, the wires for 12-volt DC power are connected to the green connector with 2 slots. Push down on the top of each of the green connectors to insert the wires into their appropriate slots. Insert the plus 12-volt hot wire to the BAT plus connector. Insert the ground wire to the BAT minus connector. Now, on the front of the panel, rotate the switch to Tri to activate the running lights. Rotate the switch to Anchor to activate the anchor light, and rotate the switch to Flash to activate the strobe light. To connect the light when there are only 2 wires available, a DP-DT crossover switch is required. If you have questions on this process, please contact Lunasea. The bird spike on the top of the LL53 can be removed and replaced by a Davis Windex 15 weather vane. The LL53 has a 5/16 thread, so only use the Davis Windex 15, which has the correct 5/16 type thread. If the LL53 light sits too low on the top of the mast, Lunasea offers an optional riser. The riser allows the cable from the LL53 to be routed either out the side of the riser or through the bottom directly into the mast. The riser also allows for a rotation of 90 degrees for alternative mounting to the mast. The additional holes only line up a certain way, ensuring that the LL53 light remains facing the correct direction.